Hi! In front of me is OPPO A16 and today I would like to show you how you can add face data on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and select password and biometrics. Then click on add face and enter your current login method. When you're ready, select continue and follow all of those instructions. Remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can adjust all of those settings however you wish to, and when you're ready, click home button. Then when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all you need to do is swipe up to open my OPPO. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!